Welcome students. We practiced numericals based on BPT, corollaries and converse of BPT, right? Now we talk about the criteria of or similarity of triangles. Criteria for similarity of triangles. Students, we discussed about similarity of triangles. What are two conditions for triangles to be similar? Yes, number one, corresponding angles are equal. Number two, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. These are two essential conditions for two triangles to be similar. This we have discussed in introduction. Okay. Now, like criteria for congruence, there are criteria for similarity of triangles. So in these similarities, first we will talk about the angle similarity. Means if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then their ratio of the corresponding sides of both triangles are equal, and hence triangles are similar. We know two conditions essential. They are given angles of two triangles are equal. Then automatically we will prove the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. And if we prove ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, then we will write therefore now triangles are similar. Okay. Now see statement. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. And hence triangles are similar. Okay. So you are given what? Two triangles given. Let us draw two triangles. Here I am drawing one triangle and second triangle. Say triangle A, B, C, triangle P, Q, R. Okay. See, we are taking only angles equal. Right? Now see, we are writing given in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. This is given to you. Now to prove. To prove what? AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR, and hence triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. See, very simple, please. Remember, important by writing statement, we should be able to draw what is this, how to begin, how to start triangles. Then according to triangles, what is given, what is to prove. Okay. Now construction is there. We need to do one construction. See what am I doing? Look here. I am marking point. There is a PQR say S, so that AB equal to PS. Mark point S on PQ so that AB equal to PS, and also T on PR so that AC equal to PT. Enjoy AC. See, mark point S and T on PQ and PR such that AB equal to PS and AC equal to PT. Okay, very good. Now see, this is very important. You are able to draw diagrams. By seeing diagrams, you are able to write given, proof, and construction. And automatically our brain works. See, you will like it. Proof now. Very short, we will come to the proofs. According to construction, we took these two triangles. Yes or no? Here is triangle ABC and triangle PST. Angle A equal to angle B. Okay. What if AB equal to PS? AC equal to PT. Construction. Therefore, in these two triangles, these angle A and angle B are included angles. So side angle side, side angle side. So both triangles are congruent. Right? Now see, we will write directly. If C in triangle ABC and triangle PST. Okay. Side angle side AB equal to PS angle A equal to angle P sine AC equal to PT. Okay. See, this is what AB equal to PS construction. Construction is given. You will write here construction. Construction. You have to give support. From where we brought this construction? We did construction. Okay? We did construction. Now, and therefore, triangle, whatever ready, ABC, congruent triangle, PST. See. Triangle ABC, congruent triangle, PST. Now, say if triangle ABC, congruent triangle, PST, you have to write rule. See, arrow here, SAS. SAS. Therefore, then we will come to know this angle is equal to this angle. Simplicity. Yes or no? Therefore, angle A, angle B equal to angle PST. Simplicity. See students, please take it in our as a congruency. We know we wrote this. Important we are going to prove this equal simplicity we did. Number 1. Now look here, we are given angle P equal to angle Q. Yes or no? We were given angle B equal to angle Q. We proved B equal to S, therefore angle is equal to this. See, so I am numbering now. Angle 1, angle 2. This implies angle 1 equal to angle 2. Yes or no? Since B equal to angle Q, right? Now see, 1 equal to 2, we proved what? Here, B equal to S, B equal to Q. So, S equal to Q, 1 equal to 2. Okay, so this proof is given, so this proof is given. Right? Now, if these two angles are equal, then ST parallel to R because they are corresponding angles. They are writing corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And if corresponding angles equal, therefore I am writing students. See. Therefore, I am writing ST parallel QR because corresponding angles equal 1 to so ST parallel QR. And if ST parallel QR, then you are knowing PS upon SQ equal to PT upon PR. Yes or no? Right? Remember it. So PS upon SQ equal to PT upon PR. Or you can write PS upon PQ equal to PT upon PR. Converse of corollaries of PPT. We are going to prove corresponding sides are in ratio. We are going to prove AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. Right? So please be careful. Here if I take corollary directly, then I will be writing PS upon SQ. PT upon PR. But I don't want SQ, I want PQ. So I will take PS upon PQ equal to PT upon PR. See, therefore, I am writing down PS upon PQ equal to PT upon PR. What should I write? BPT. Corollary. No? See, this is very important. Corollaries are helpful sometimes. We can take directly. Now, PS equal to AB, we know. Construction. So I am replacing PS by AB and PT by AC. Because we have done construction, this for this and this. We are replacing now. It implies AB upon PQ equal to AC upon PR. Yes, similarly we can prove AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. Okay, so we can write similarly AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. This number 2, this number 3. So video number 1 is already. Right? Now see students here. Up to this you understood. Please be careful. You need to remember only congruence rule. By congruence rule, you could prove these triangles are congruent. Then by proving congruent, we took these two angles are equal, corresponding angles. Then we are matching given and proved. B equal to S, proved. B equal to Q, given. Then H equal to Q. 1, 2, H equal to Q. This proved us ST parallel QR. And this ST parallel QR gave us hint of corollary. PS upon PQ, PT upon PR. We wrote this. And we replaced PS by AB and PT by S. And similarly we can write in this because we need to prove these sides and equals. This is very important. If you write in prove, your mind needs support. You are getting mentally good. Then from 2 and 3, see, from 2 and 3, we got AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. And hence, triangle ABC, the triangle PQR. And hence proof. Hence proof. Got it? Very good. Now from this you got very simple. If angle A equal to angle B, angle B equal to angle Q, with therefore these two pairs we proved triangles are similar. So in angle similarity you proved it, and from this we are taking now corollary of angle similarity, that is called angle similarity. Corollary. Please. Angle similarity. So now in every example, if we need to search only 2 pairs of angles equal, then you can write directly if these 2 pairs of angles are equal in these 2 triangles, given triangles, then triangles are similar. We don't need all 3 pairs. Okay? Very good. So this is what very important. In any 2 triangles, if 2 pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Please remember it. Okay? So see, in 2 triangles, if pair of corresponding angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Okay students, please remember this now. I hope you understood this and you remember. Okay, fine. Now see, this theorem you should be able to say orally. Nothing is required. Only construction is required. Congruency. ऐसे triangles congruent prove करो. Then take corresponding angles. And then parallel to each other. Then corollary. This upon this complete side. This upon this complete side. Equal to this upon this. Yes or no? Right? So we can replace that construction and we are getting this triangle theorem is true. Okay, students, please understand the theorem by listening properly and try to write yourself. Unless you are understanding, listening properly, writing yourself without saying, you will not remember this theorem. Please, okay. See you, and we will see now other similarity criteria which are not improved in syllabus. Only statements are required. Side similarity and side angle side similarity. What is side? See, ratio of the sides of the triangle are equal, then triangles are similar. In any two triangles, if ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, then triangles are similar. Okay. Again, side angle side. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle, and ratio of the sides that includes these two angles are equal, then triangles are similar. In any two triangles, if one angle are equal and sides which include these angles, their ratio is equal, then these triangles are similar. That is called side angle side similarity. So these two statements are in syllabus which are required for proof. Okay, remember it. Fine. Then after this, we will learn about RHS congruency rule. Okay, students? Fine. See you.